The professional inspection team conducted a series of tests on indoor temperature cleanliness, indoor pressure, and other indexes in strict accordance with the standard of 10,000 grade class clean room, and the test results successfully reached class 10,000 grade clean level. We have Damac and Toshiba high-speed electric injection molding machines and cooperated with many famous medical device manufacturers over the years. For example, covering ventilator, AED defibrillators, medical robots, medical consumables, and other fields. Meanwhile, we also work closely with the automotive manufacturers to provide them with reliable quality assurance, including products such as automotive ambient light guide strips, automotive light guide panels, and transparent parts. This is not only our commitment to the quality of our products, but also a profound reflection of our respect and trust in our customers' products. In the future, we will continue to produce in strict accordance with 10,000 grade level testing standards to ensure that each product meets the highest standards. Choose Imitech to protect the quality of your products and create an excellent future together.